January 23 at 12:17 p.m. And andito kami right now sa Casa Millenia. And mag-birthday salubong kami later for my papa. First room. So, pagpasok mo, ayan, may double deck. Dalawang double deck. And that's me. Hi! Ayan, may electric fan lang dyan. And then, bean bag. And ayan, so labas tayo. Yes, may ganito dito. And then, small kubo. Okay natin. Ayan, may ayan, small lang. Ayan, ganyan. Pwede kang matulog dyan. 2 persons ata pwede. Tapos yun yung view. Ito yung pool. Nag 8 ball pool kami kanina kaya nagganyan TV. Pero okay, if want nyo, yung view is itong pool, another pool na may ganyan. Ito yung parang main pool nito. So yun yung mga rooms. Next one is egg and then itong biko. Then itong balloon is set up namin later. Me again. Again. Yan. Kasita nila niya. Shower to in toilet. Yan ito mga rooms. Pero ayoko na ipakita since may tao doon. So, kaya tayo dito. Dito naman is may hammock and kubo. Ayan, may bench dyan. So, ito yung kubo. Ayan, ito din. Tapos may hot tub. It's so cute. Look. Ayan yung view. Ang ganda.
Oh, hi guys!
Iya, Faith. Si Jam.
Ano yung mo?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Kasi gusto niya
Pansit. Shanghai. Isda. Bangus. Yan. Salad. Shanghai. Fruits.
Sarap.
Inihaw. Ay. Saging. Biko. Igado. Cake. For salad. And tinapay. Success. Heat check. Chicago. Lumang pants.
Every winter, every summer, every fall, when we are apart,
no words can express how much I love you.
Say hi to my vlog.
Jam! Puro tayong naman niya. Jam! Ibon to.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.